Hey guys, it's Paul here from Aylex Badminton Academy, and today we're going to be doing a review for the Astrox 77 Pro. I'm going to be reviewing the 4U5G version of this racket with the Yonex Aerosonics strung at 28 pounds tension. First of all, let's talk about what kind of racket this is. The Astrox 77 is designed for intermediate to advanced players looking to dominate the court with steep smashes. It is equipped with the rotational generator system that enables quick recovery for a continuous stream of powerful attacks. The racket utilizes NAMD throughout the shaft, producing more flex and a faster snapback. The new material used greatly improves the adhesion of the graphite fibers and resin by attaching nanomaterial directly to the graphite fiber. This major improvement produces a shaft that flexes and stores energy, delivering explosive force on impact with the shuttle. Next is the nanometric material. It is used to improve the bonding strength between the carbon fibers, enabling us to use the racket shaft by reducing the amount of carbon in the shaft to make it 60% thinner than a conventional racket with retaining stiffness. Yonex has created a revolutionary lightweight racket with lightning's head speed and control. Last, we have the aerobic frame. The square-shaped isometric frame extends the sweet spot both vertically and horizontally, generating a larger sweet spot by 7%. Lastly, we have the super slim shaft. This is the slimmest racket ever produced by Yonex, vastly reducing the air resistance with providing maximum feel. Enough talking, let's go out and test this racket out.